So hi everyone, my name is Renee from Advanced Innovation Manufacturing Asia. We have with us today Kenneth Sim, the CTO of OneSystems Technologies. So hi Kenneth, maybe a quick introduction about yourself. Share with us what you do at your role at OneSystems Technologies and what's the main core of the business.
Right. Hi everyone. My name is Kenneth. I'm the CTO of OneSystems Technologies. My role typically is the intersection between um, tech technical strategy as well as delivery. Of course, I oversee architecture, how we do architecting, design, engineering, and of course also the evolvement of future technologies where how we actually bring it to our forward-looking customers, right? And in OneSystems, we focus primarily on semicon semicon industries, pharmaceuticals, as well as data center. Typically, most of our work evolves around security and communications infrastructure. Uh, Again, it goes back, we are very focused on that three particular industries, and along the way, we have been around for 20 years, and we are proud to say that we have never outsourced anything. Internally, we have all these capabilities developed in-house for our customers.
And what will be the biggest pain points you are addressing today with the industries you're serving?
Right. What we observe is that we actually wedge ourselves between OT as well as IT. Because these two systems are typically, or rather historically, they're always siloed, right? So over the past 20 years, we look at IT and OT convergence as our main go-to-market strategy, and we develop capabilities around that. With OT, it's always about automation, and of course, monitoring and operating physical equipments. Whereas IT is all about data communications and how much bandwidth it can provide, especially in today's context of AI being deployed everywhere. However, what makes us different is that over the past 20 years, we actually sit in between the two and we speak languages of both IT as well as OT. So I think that's where we develop our business.
Fantastic. And what are some of the biggest mistakes that companies have made with AI? Now that it is trending, everyone's talking about it, and people are jumping on the bandwagon. But some people are like on a look and see, scenario, right? So, what are some of the biggest mistakes being made today? You think?
From what we observe is that many companies are jumping into it and following all the various buzzwords being thrown around everywhere. From it's no longer the traditional AI chatbots where everything evolved into agentic AI and so on and so forth. However, we hardly notice customers that focus on workflow. So they jump head on into agentic AI without a workflow supporting it. So end up, I believe, for companies who are doing this, they will burst through their AI budget very quickly. So what we recommend is that yes, get your workflow sorted out and build your agents around it. That gives you a way faster ROI, and you will be able to yield the returns of AI very, very quickly.
So, what should be their consideration factors when they decide what kind of solutions to implement?
It really depends on where is the largest pain point. We also observe that many customers are also looking at, let's try out AI and see how it goes.
Okay.
So they pick the least
crucial
department or elements and say, okay, HR, right? IT, start using AI and stuff like that. But unfortunately, they have very limited impact at the business. Certain organizations are a lot more forward-looking. They look at, I have a whole bunch of data sitting everywhere. How do I make sure I realign my data strategy to support AI functions that allows me to bring business value? That is where I see the most successful cases from some of our customers.